What are you making? Egg. What kind of egg? Yellow egg. That's is scrambled egg. Okay. Lagay mo na yan doon sa pan. Daw mag-wash pa. Be careful, ha? Lapit. Down.
Oh.
Down. Down. Okay, very good. So get your, spatula. Look at my hand. Hurry up! The spatula is here. It's turning black na. Be careful. Very good. Get your plate. Let's move. The plate. Pina. Where's the plate? Put it in the plate na. So na all. No. That's enough. And put butter on it. Yeah, all of it. What are you making now?
Toast bread.
Yeah. The water. Forget the water.
Oh my god.
Give it here. Bring it pala, bring. Okay, put one, another one. Then, use the spatula. Flip it over. Flip it over first. To the other side, sa may butter. Oh, another one.
Alice, where's my flip?
Alaka.
What other side is it?
That's how you make. Sinusubo mo na lahat. Get butter, another butter.
I'm gonna get over here.
Wait. Okay, now put butter. Baka Put the butter in the pan. Just do like this in the pan. Okay. Okay, put your bread on the butter.
Oh my god, so I don't know what.
Flip it over. Patingin na nga po mo. That's good. You're learning at least. No, it's not sunog.
I said so much.
Suman. What do you want? Do you want to turn it brown? Let me see. Sige. Wow.
Spatula, stop flipping it. No.
That's what you make?
Yeah, it's a bread and egg.
Did you make it by your
I don't know
own?
what is this.
Let's make over. Yeah, and this egg is your baon.
Yeah.
Very good. You can cook egg na alone, then toasted bread alone. Very good. Go inside.